Cybercriminals from China and North Korea have been increasingly targeting global infrastructure with sophisticated ransomware attacks. These attacks pose significant threats to national security, economic stability, and the day to day operations of essential services worldwide. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Critical sectors, including energy, transportation, healthcare, and finance, are being targeted by the hackers for ransomware. The disruption of these sectors can have far reaching consequences. Attackers use ransomware to encrypt data and systems, demanding substantial ransoms for decryption keys. This method not only disrupts operations but also causes financial losses. These state sponsored groups often employ APT techniques involving long term strategic planning and sophisticated tools to breach and exploit network vulnerabilities. The common attacks are: number one, phishing and social engineering. Phishing emails, malicious attachments, and deceptive social engineering tactics are commonly used to gain initial access to target systems. Number two, supply chain attacks. Compromising third party vendors and suppliers to gain entry into more secure networks is another prevalent method. These ransomware poses national security risks. Number one, critical services disruption. Attacks on energy grids, healthcare systems, and transportation networks can undermine national security and public safety. Number two, data breaches. Theft of sensitive data can compromise national security, intellectual property, and personal information, posing long term risks. Secondly, it could bring a grave threat to public safety and health. In healthcare sector, ransomware attacks on hospitals and healthcare providers can delay critical treatments and endanger lives. In infrastructure integrity, attacks on transportation and utility services can lead to accidents and disruptions in essential services. These actors have similarly engaged in ransomware and data encryption attacks aimed at destabilizing and extracting value from critical infrastructure and government sectors globally. It's crucial for governments and organizations to take steps to improve their security defenses. The use of ransomware by threat actors for cyber espionage and other malicious activities presents a significant challenge to global cybersecurity. Comprehensive security strategies that combine advanced technologies, proactive threat intelligence, and robust incident response plans are essential to safeguarding critical infrastructure and sensitive data. Let's look into today's headlines. Quick Heal alerts users of potentially harmful new viruses and malware. Using the most recent information from experts at Securite Labs, Quick Heal has discovered a number of significant new threats that represent major risks to people, companies, and organizations across the globe. Attacks using fileless malware, which subverts authentic system administration tools and processes, pose a serious risk to systems since they can enter undetected and escape detection by traditional antivirus software. Another perilous trend is the rise of deepfake technology using AI to generate realistic looking but completely fake audio, images, and videos. Apple fixes a Bluetooth vulnerability in AirPods that could allow eavesdropping. Apple recently updated the firmware on the AirPods, which might make it possible for a malevolent actor to access the headphones without authorization. The authentication problem, which is being tracked as CVE 2024-27867, impacts the following devices, that is, Beats Fit Pro, Powerbeats Pro, AirPods Max, AirPods second generation and later, and AirPods Pro all models. Artificial intelligence is most commonly used for political deepfakes. The first study by Google's DeepMind division into the most common destructive uses of the cutting edge technology found that attempts to utilize AI to support cyber attacks are significantly less common than attempts to create deepfakes that mimic politicians and celebrities. According to the report, the production of fake yet realistic human photos, videos, and sounds occurs nearly twice as frequently as the next most common misuse of generative AI tools, which is the fabrication of information through the use of text based tools like chatbots to create false content for social media posts. S.N. Subramanian, to succeed A.M. Naik as L&T Technologies chairman. L&T Technology Services non-executive chairman A.M. Naik will step down. As of June 27th of 2024, S.N. Subramanian, who is the non-executive vice chairman at the moment, will assume the role of chairman. Following the company's 12th annual general meeting, Naik would resign from his position. With effect from today, the board of directors has authorized Subramanian's appointment as the company's chairman. Google is developing Gemini-powered chatbots to offer celebrity personas for companionship. According to reports, Google is developing AI technology to build chatbots that can interact with users and adopt different personas. The tech giant wants to create AI bots that are companions for users rather than just answer questions. These cutting-edge chatbots, which can be programmed to mimic famous people or imaginary characters, will be driven by Google's Gemini large language model. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.